How to search Roblox games by genre. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, we'll explore the feasibility of searching for Roblox games based on their genre. We'll delve into whether it is indeed possible to categorize games by genre within the Roblox platform. Let's embark on this journey by navigating through the Roblox website, and alternatively, you can also experiment with this feature directly into your Roblox player interface. Our first destination is the Discover tab, where a plethora of games awaits your exploration. While the tab showcases some fundamental genre, such as up and coming, popular, and top rated games, it lacks specific categories like FPS or RPG, and unfortunately, there is no inbuilt mechanism on this page to filter games by genre. However, fear not. We can employ a workaround by manually entering the desired genre into the search bar, and doing so, relevant games associated with the genre will surface, offering a temporary solution to this absence of genre-specific search functionality on the Roblox. It's essential to note that relying solely on this method may not yield consistent results, so as there are limitations to this approach. The removal of the genre filtering on the October 26, 2017, as documented in the Roblox web wiki, signifies the end of the genre-based search capabilities within the Discover tab. Hence, the primary method to discover games by genre now involves inputting the genre name directly into the search bar. While this may suffice most instances, it's crucial to acknowledge the constraints imposed by the platform's evolving features. I trust that this elucidation has shed light on the intricacies of genre-based game discovery on the Roblox, and if you found this video beneficial, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing for more insightful tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gaming exploration on Roblox.